We're going to practice 4 algebra questions that most students should know by the end of grade 5. I understand that math can be challenging to tackle alone. This channel is here to support and assist you or your child in learning math. What you'll need: a pencil, download our video worksheet, link in the comments, or use your own piece of paper, and time to use your brain, so no calculators are allowed. Here's a look at 4 algebra questions that we're going to solve. Feel free to pause and solve the question on your own first, or watch Ms. John guide you through the solutions. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key. Question number 1, matching. So you're going to match the left column with the right column. And don't forget to download the video worksheet to help you solve for the answer. You got this. Answer. So the first row represents equal to. The second row represents greater than. The third row represents less than. If the opening starts from the left side, it means less than. So the point starts from the left side and it opens up towards the right side. So hopefully that helps. And because the fourth row is the point is starting from the left side and opening out towards the right side, we know that that's going to just be less than because there's no line underneath. So if there is a line underneath the symbol, it means equal to. And in this case, there's no line underneath, so that means it's just less than. And for the fifth row, there is a line underneath representing equal to, so we know that that's going to be greater than or equal to. Question number 2, matching. So what we're going to do is match the left column to the right column. In order to solve for the answer, you have to do 7 plus 5 and find the answer for that, and then find the answer for 4 plus 6 and see whether or not the answer is representing greater to, less than, or equal to. You got this. Answer. So what we're first going to start with is the first row. So let's draw a rough box, and in that rough box, we're going to write 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now let's draw a rough box to determine what 4 plus 6 equals. So 4 plus 6, we're going to write down, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. So the 12 is representing that it's greater than 10. So the answer is greater than. So we're going to write that symbol, and then we know that we could draw a line to say that that left column, the first row, represents greater than. Let's do the second row. So let's draw a rough box. And in this rough box, we're going to write 5 times 3 plus 1. And that equals 16. Now let's draw another rough box. And in that rough box, we're going to write 64 divided by 4. And that equals 16. So both the numbers are the same, therefore we're going to draw the symbol. This one equals 2, so we know the answer is equals 2. So now let's do the last row, and we're going to draw a rough box, and in that rough box we're going to write 36 divided by 6 minus 4, which equals 2. Now let's draw another rough box, and in that rough box, we're going to write 18 times 3 minus 48, which equals 6. So we have 2 and we have 6. 2 is smaller, less than 6, so therefore we know the answer is less than. So we're going to draw that sign, and then we're going to draw a line from the left column to the right column representing less than. Question number 3. You're going to read the statements in the left column. You're going to match it to the right column. You got this. Answer. All grade 4s and under can go get ice cream for lunch. So 4 and under representing less, therefore the answer is less than or equal to. People are 13 years and older can see related PG movies. So 13 and older being greater, equal to, would be the answer. Teenagers who are 16 years and above can participate in fitness obstacle courses. They have to be older than 15, so that's also representing greater than and equal to. The temperature today is equal to 21 degrees Celsius, so that is representing equal to. Question number 4. We're going to answer these questions using the image on the left side. So what is the title of the graph? What is the independent and dependent variable? How many students like to eat dumplings? What is the least food type that students like to eat for breakfast? Answer A. What is the title of the graph? The title of the graph is Favorite Breakfast Food. B. What is the independent and dependent variable? The independent variable is the food type. The dependent variable is the number of students. C. How many students like to eat dumplings? Based on the graph, there are 20 students who like to eat dumplings for breakfast. D. What is the least food type that students like to eat for breakfast? Based on the graph, the least favorite food type for students to eat for breakfast is bagels. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Good job at taking ownership over your education. You did it! See you in the next video.